Welcome to this year transmission. So this year we will focus more about the essence of the Vajrayana teaching. So what we call pure perception. So pure perception meaning we all have this wonderful nature, like a fundamental quality of our thought, emotion, perception, even anger, hatred, jealousy, doubt. Like for me, the panic attacks, depression, loneliness, loss of esteem, name it. There's so many lists. We have what we call kleshas and the suffering, right? But then when we look at the essence of all this, it's wonderful actually. It's like sky and the cloud. So the sky is wonderful, right? Sky is beyond the pollution, beyond cloud. Sky is pure, present, and in a way, sky is indestructible. Nobody can, harm to sky. You cannot block sky. You cannot burn sky. Always there. And at the same time, sky is allowing everything, the cloud, the pollution, the earth, the mountain, entire universe is in the sky or in the space. So similarly, we have this wonderful nature that the essence of all these kleshas and the suffering is awareness, love and compassion, and the wisdom. And three together, the unity. So when we recognize that with us, with all the beings, that is what we call pure perception. And then how to actualize this pure perception in the Vajrayana? We have so many different practices. So the practice, what we call removing, transforming, and transcending. So removing is at the beginning working with the environment level, time, situation. For example, if you are too much attached to your smartphone before you're going to sleep, you remove your phone from your bedroom. So these things are what we call removing style. And in the mind, these are behavioral level and environment level. And in our mind, like if there's hatred, anger comes, we practice loving kindness. If there's a jealousy comes, we practice appreciation and rejoice others' virtue. If the ignorance and confusion comes, we use analytical meditation. If there's so many thoughts, then we focus on the breathing. So antidote style. Then the transforming. Transforming, what we call poison become medicine, obstacle become opportunity, problem become solution. So for me, when I was young, I had panic attacks. But eventually, I use my panic attack support for awareness, love and compassion, and wisdom. So in the end, my panic become my teacher, my friend and my teacher. So transforming style. And number 3 is transcending. Transcending meaning now we look at the nature of panic attacks. Actually, there is awareness without object, love and compassion without reason, and the wisdom without concept. So these are the nature of panic attacks, not just panic attacks. 5 kleshas, what we call ignorance, aversion, craving, pride, jealousy, kleshas. And we have the sufferings like panic attacks, depression, loneliness, stress, feeling of uneasiness, and so many, right? And all this nature is awareness, love and compassion, and wisdom. So that is transcending beyond everything. So we will introduce these teachings with the video and webinar and also interviews, group discussions, and the course. So we need to So you learn these things and you practice, apply in your life. So what we call view, meditation, application. So view is to understand and practice the meditation and apply in everyday life application, something like that. So hopefully these things really benefit for your own practice, for your life, and to discover this wonderful quality within you and people around you.